One of the things that we need to look at is finishing off stuff. And I do like to have my cushions neatly piped round the edge. Now, when it comes to piping, there are various myths that hopefully I'm now going to dispel. Now, in my book, it actually does show you how to do piping. This is, wait for it, foldy-roldy patchwork pizzazz. And indeed, the cushion in front of me, the quilt that's lying on the table, and the quag, and more about that ere anon, behind me all come from this book. And that's how you put the piping on a cushion. Some point in time we'll do how you put a zip in. No, you don't like putting zips in, but you ought to learn how to. So there you are, that is piping. 1.5 inch strip for number 4 inch piping cord. Choose good quality piping cord. Remember to cut the strips of your fabric across the material, not down it.